hapon. Papunta na kami sa aming Boracay Amoy Apartment Hotel. Natitira namin. Nandito po kami sa phone. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So guys, we're going to take breakfast. So here we go guys. Stella order corned beef, Ate Lorna is bangus, and mine is longganisa, and Ate Jennifer is hot dog. Ngayon, kain na tayo guys! Kain na Boracay Island with Stella! Ate Jennifer and Ate Lorna!
Anong oras naman kasi?
30. Welcome to Boracay Island!
Ginatangak niya, no? Dexter Bado na kita.
Lunch talaga.
No, dinner. Wrong.
Snack.
Dinner. No. Snack. Snack. Our snack. Snack. Hello everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we already arrived in the Boracay Amoy apartment. So, I like to show you the room that I booked for. Here it is. But stay tuned. I'm going to show to you our activities in here in Boracay while we were in here in the Boracay. But first, let me show you the room. We were in L203. So, let's go inside. Why? Yes, it is. Everybody is sleeping today. So, I'm going to show you the bathroom. The first bathroom. First bathroom. In our room with my Ate Lorna. Our room. There's two rooms, but I'm going to show you the first one. See this? It has and then kitchen and living room. I can show you sleeping version. And our terrace with our lovely jacuzzi. Then the room of Ate Jennifer and Stella. We're going to enter. See, they have a large TV and the bed. And the cabinet and the bathroom are the same thing as us. See. Then we're going to show you the second terrace upstairs. In here you can see the wood Boracay Island. There's a beach over there. Then I don't know what it's called, that satellite, I guess. There's so many. See? So peaceful, so clean, so beautiful Boracay. Well, that's all for today. Thank you.
Ito pwede na.
Huwag mo nang lakasan, steady mo lang yan. Steady mo na. Yung ganun, huwag mo nang siyang... Huwag mong bilisan na ikot mga yan. Steady mo lang ganyan, huwag mo na siyang galawin. Oo, di ba? Man, picture man. Uy. Galing na ata.
Okay na?
Opo. Yun. Thumbs up dito. Tingin. Thumbs up. Yun. Video, dala picture to, ma'am, ha? Video, dala picture. Sige, ma'am. Opo. Sige, diretso na kayo, ma'am. O, sige, ma'am. Basta diretso lang. Hindi, naka-on na ito. Video, dala picture yan, ma'am. Up, up, up. Oo, ang galing ah. Ah. Yun, go, go, go. Tawagin lang kayo kung tapos na. Sige po, go. Yun. Sige, ma'am, ito na, ma'am. Oo. Oh, ma'am. May picture pa. Yeah. Ha? Ayaw mo na? Doon lang, ma'am. Doon sa dulo, ma'am. Oh, dito, ma'am. Oh, ma'am. Sige lang, ma'am. Pabayaan na sila. Sige na, ma'am. Wow. Bilis. Yun. Bilis! Two, three.
Going home to Maynila. We're already in the harbor. Harbor port.